Imagine this. You've got God sitting in the driver's seat of your life, but you keep yanking the wheel back because you're scared of choosing wrong. And he's literally like, babe, chill. You make the wish, I'll move the mountains. That's the vibe. That's the level of main character energy we are stepping into today. Because responsibility doesn't have to feel heavy. It can feel powerful, playful, and a little bit iconic. Hey everyone, welcome to the Main Character Podcast. I'm Shompal, and this is your reminder that you are the lead in your own story. Around here, it's all about identity shifts, glow ups, and rewriting your script so you can show up as the woman you were always meant to be. Now let's dive in. 14th September 2025, Sunday morning. I cannot get my head around the fact that you, the divine Lord, lives in me, in the power of imagination in me. It's like I have supernatural powers where I can assume just about anything and lay my faith in you and it'll manifest. But little do people realize that with great power comes great responsibility. To many, it may sound like a burden to be responsible. Does it now mean that I have to carefully choose my destiny? That I'm responsible for my own happiness? Whatever I decide will manifest? But what if I choose the wrong thing for me? What if it's not meant for me? How do I even know if it's even meant for me? What if I don't feel happy as much after I receive it? I can go so wrong if you make me responsible for my own destiny and happiness. So what do I do? All these questions almost makes me not want that power, makes me just keep living like how I've lived all this time, accepting whatever is happening, not happy, wanting more, but not knowing how to get everything I want harmoniously, peacefully, where everything simply falls in place like a perfect Rubik's Cube. Is that even possible? Because if it is, then that would be perfect. Then having that power won't feel so heavy. Then I won't feel so burdened with the weight of all that responsibility. To this, God says, yes, it is possible. It is not just possible, it is the only way. I ask, how? Tell me, God, how? He smiles and speaks these words. All you have to do is one, make your wish, and two, work with me. It's shared responsibility. You take one step and I'll take 100. How about that? Well, that sounds great, God, but what is that step I must take? How do we work together? God says, your only job is to decide what you want. Don't overthink it. Don't doubt it. Just make a wish and stay there. Live as though it's already happened. Feel it. Enjoy it. Live there. And my job is to rearrange the universe, move mountains, change the course of the ocean, change people's minds, move a few bits and pieces around, basically, make room for your wish to land in the 3D world in the most harmonious way, beautifully aligned like that Rubik Cube. Your job in all this is to have unwavering faith in me and know that I've got you. I've got this. For God's sake, I know what I'm doing. Trust me. Let everything fall apart. I'm not breaking you. I'm sculpting you. You're not losing people or losing the job or going broke. I'm rearranging everything to perfect alignment. It'll all be here. Don't you worry. You won't lose anything, I promise. Everything you see from the time you make that wish to the time it physically manifests, Everything in the middle is my responsibility, and you have to let me. But I must warn you about something. Don't be scared. Even if you do this mistake I'm about to warn you about, there is a way out. Ready? The warning is that the minute you lose faith in me, I stop working and let you take control again. Then you are on your own. You cannot blame me because now you are in the driver's seat and I am just a silent passenger. Now you know what happens when you are the responsible one. I cannot guarantee you'll be at the right place at the right time. Child, when you stop working with me, you only see the 200 meters in front of your car where the headlights hit the road. And that's limiting, no? You may fall and have a terrible accident. Not trying to scare you here. As I said, this is a warning. Now, the way out of this mess, you jump back on the horse. Know that all that exists is the now. The second you call my name and seek me out, I am back in the game. I will erase all past and all future worries. I will be in charge again, in the driver's seat. Only I don't just see the 200-meter in front, but the total zoomed out 360-degree view of the entire universe. And I will navigate you to where you want to go. But just do me a favor. Please don't jump off the car while I'm driving, because I'm gonna drive full speed and you'll be at your destination sooner than you think. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Main Character Podcast. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope today's episode left you with something to think about and a reminder that God's got your back. Your job is to write the story. If you love this episode, don't forget to follow or subscribe so you never miss the next episode, which is next Wednesday at 7 a.m. Until next time, keep walking like the main character because you already are.